Right, hello everybody. Again, sorry I haven't been around. I had two big craft fairs and the first one I nearly sold out, so I was literally had one the following week and I had to just crochet because I'd already paid, so I needed to do it. So I managed to get enough stock for my table and then I've sold out again. Not sold totally, but sold a lot. And so I've got to I'm having a month off now, but I am going away in 17th 18th, yeah, going to Cardiff, actually, only because my son and his girlfriend are going to Taylor Swift. So they're going to the Cardiff one and then they're travelling, we're coming home, and then they're travelling on the train to go to the London one as well. So that's their annual holiday, and we'll be coming home. So it's only 2 days for us, which is enough for me. And yeah, so I will show you what the new kit is, the freebie, okay, this month. And yeah, this first seven pages, I think. Yep. So that's the sort of odd bits. Okay. I done use some tags. Then I think I had two sort of main collage pages, which was that one and that one. Just like, you know, same images, but I sort of messed them up a bit. Then a background that's sepia, and then without any of the elements, so you can add your own. And then I included a background for your tags and things if you want to print on the back of your tags. Okay, so that was the freebie. Then I added some tickets, and this is not free, but there's 15 pages. I think it's around £2, something like that. Okay, so there's 15 pages of this, and there's the green, blue, purple, pink, like reddish brown. Okay, and then here I would say that's the blue. Oh no, green. I was looking at that. That's bluey green. Blue, pink, reddish brown, which stayed very similar to the original. Purple. Okay, and then that's red. Like I said, some don't change, okay, but we get them tonal. Most of them are tonal, okay. The green ones done quite well. They changed. These two, yeah, they still changed a bit, but different colour. Them already, but you know, that's the way of it when you do it like that. Purple, pink, and blue. There we go. So that's the 5 sort of colour themes throughout. Okay, so I've done the best I could with changing them, and I think they'll come in handy, and the price is reasonable. I think it's around £2, I think, for 15 pages. So like these were like the original one on Etsy, but I've just taken a couple of pages from them to actually do this with, all right, which I thought would work. So, and that's what I've done. And here they are. Okay, should have a lot of fun with that, and it should, you know, work with a lot of projects. Okay then, thank you very much. Speak to you soon. Bye.